In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger identity verification issue. Let's get started. This problem usually happens when Messenger requires verification, but the process gets stuck, like when your selfie does not upload properly, you get a technical error, or it keeps looping back to the same verification screen. So here is the first fix. Launch your Facebook, navigate to your profile page, then upload a new photo. Make sure you take a clear, well-lit photo of yourself. Avoid blurry or dark images because Messenger may reject them. This helps improve your account recognition and can fix verification issues. Once you have updated your profile picture, go back to Messenger and try the verification process again. In many cases, it should now go through successfully without any errors. If the issue still persists, completely delete Messenger app from your device and reinstall it. Also, you can try using a different device. This might resolve the issue. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.